Hello everyone, welcome back to Glammegal and thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I'm going to show you how I do this green smoky eye makeup look in this video, and I've again used the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to put that away for some time. I just don't seem to be picking up any more palettes, so I'm going to stop using that palette for a while and do some other looks using other palettes. In the meanwhile, enjoy this video. I hope you like it, and yeah, quickly let's just get started. And before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. So let's just get started. And in this video I have used this Maybelline foundation and the Dream Lumi what is that, primer from L'Oreal. I've mixed both of them and I actually applied a little bit too much of foundation, which I had a tough time buffing in, so do not use too much foundation. And I'm going to now color correct under my eyes. I sometimes wonder like how different my life would be if I didn't have such deep dark circles and I did not have the hassle of layering 3 products just to cover them and brighten up my under eye area. The struggle is real. God, seriously, I hate like so many steps, and anyway I have to do that. Now I'm applying matte prep and prime concealer in dark, and over that, to brighten up my under eye area, I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer, the new one. I want to get it in a couple of different shades. It's currently out of stock at Hope Makeup. I'm just waiting for them to be back in stock. I'm really loving this concealer at the moment, so I'm just going to apply this and like as my highlighter. And I'm using Topaz Tan from NYX. I've been using this in all my videos, you know the drill. And I'm obviously really loving this product a lot, and I've been recommending it left and right to anybody who will ask me a question about contouring. So I'm like, use that, it's good. And if you're a makeup beginner in contouring, do use this. It's really very nice. It's so easy to blend and the color is so nice. I really am loving this NYX Topaz Tan. So yeah, I'm just taking my time to blend everything and fast forwarded it to a blended look. So magic. And now I'm taking NYX translucent powder. The thing is with the Makeup Revolution powder, since it is light, I can't use any of my more yellow powders. So that is why I'm looking for a deeper color in the more yellow toned color in the Makeup Revolution concealer. MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, my holy grail, my absolute favorite. I just love like how Topaz Tan and Give Me Sun go together so well. Like they just give like such a nice warmth to the face. So wrong choice of blush today. I chose this Ben Nye. I think this is called the Flamingo. I don't know. It's just really too bright, and it just doesn't go with the look. I guess I had to like buff it out a little like a lot, because this is like super duper pigmented, and I hate pigmented blushes because just a tiny bit, if you apply more, it's such a pain to buff it out. Anywho, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows quickly. I'm using the color Pop Bangin' Brunette eyebrow gel, and I'm just going to now quickly move on to the eye makeup, guys. So I'm just setting my concealer I applied on my eyes, and with the eyeshadow, that one was from Makeup Geek. So I'm using this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette to apply as my transition shade. As you can see, I'm going a little bit higher up on my crease, and these two colors are basically what I've used in the transition. So I'm just going to take that on the same brush. Actually, I've not used a different brush. I'm just placing it a little bit lower, and I'm just going to make sure it's very nice and buffed, because this color, I just want it to peek through the green. Together they look very nice. I'm going to take this dark matte green color. I'm taking it on a blending brush, and I'm just packing it on the outer half of my lash line. And I'm taking I'm making sure it's nice and packed, and I'm taking a big clean fluffy blending brush, and I'm just very softly blending it into the crease. And little by little, I'm just adding a little more color on the lid, and then making sure to blend it, because I don't want the green on the crease to be very heavy. So once I've done that, I'm just going to cut my crease using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to set it with the powder. And then moving on, I'm going to take this teal green blue kind of an eyeshadow on a synthetic brush that I have dampened with some fixing spray, and I'm just going to apply that. And I'm just going to apply it where I have cut the crease, actually on the lid area, and I just did a little bit more blending between the two greens. And I'm moving on to the lower lash line, just repeating the same steps. First the yellow eyeshadow, then I'm taking the green eyeshadow actually on a thicker blending brush, pencil brush, and with the same flat brush I'm just applying a little bit of the green eyeshadow on the inner corner, finishing up my face. And I'm just going to apply Precious Petals. I'm going to put this away as well. I think I'm using the same products over and over again. Anywho, this is a beautiful highlighter. I absolutely love it. And if I love a product, like, I just get after it, like, you know, that way you can be sure I'm truly loving something. You'll see it, like, you know. So I'm using the same Precious Petal highlighter for the inner corner and the brow bone highlight as well. And we'll quickly move on to the lips, and then we're done with this video, guys. I've been talking non-stop. So I'm taking NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and earlier I thought it wasn't a good decision, but I quite like it in the pics. So yeah, this one is San Paulo or Antwerp, I'm not sure. I'm going to list it below. So here is the final look, guys. I just added some lashes, and lashes add a lot of drama. So yeah, I'm quite liking this look. I hope you all had a good time, fun time watching my video, and you will come back for the next one. Please do. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do watch these videos as well. Thank you so much.